What's up, guys? This is the incredible edible egg. And if you like eggs, this little contraption, this little gadget, will be perfect for your kitchen. So, this little device holds 8 eggs at a time. If you want to hard boil them, you can also make a little omelet, and you can also poach the eggs. No mess, easy cleanup. It's really, really cool. And if you love eggs and you're interested in doing them quickly, this is the way to do it. And I'm going to show you how it works in 1 second. So this is how it works. This is the heating element that you pour your water into. It comes with this little measuring cup that tells you, depending on what you want to cook, hard-boiled, poached, or an omelet, how much water you put in will determine how long it takes and how long it will cook for. Pretty nifty. If you're cooking hard-boiled eggs, the very bottom has this little puncture puncher that you use to puncture the top of your egg before you put it into the steamer. You then fill up the base with the water, the amount that it tells you, put it into the base, take the tray with the eggs, place the eggs inside, take the little cap, the clear cover, keeps the steam in. There's a little hole there that lets the steam out. Then you simply push the button here, and that will start the cooking process, and you just have to wait. Once the eggs are done, the timer goes off. Be careful with the steam, take it off. Take your eggs out. I like to put mine in an ice bath, makes them easy to peel quickly, and they're always cooked perfectly. So there's no mistakes, there's no boiling, there's no mess, nothing. It also comes with a very cool tray, small. This is for omelets. So you mix up your omelet, put some veggies in there, a little cheese on top, maybe two eggs at the most. You set it in here. You put the amount of water it says for an omelet inside there. Put the lid on. Start it. Automatically turns off when the eggs are ready. Perfect. It also comes with another tray that's designed for poaching eggs. And you put 1 egg in each side and put it on there. Fill it up with the amount for poached eggs, depending on if you want yours soft or runny. Put the lid on, turn it on, timer goes off, and then you'll have perfect poached eggs. Pretty handy, pretty cool. I use it all the time. If you love eggs, it's incredible. So, this product is made by a company called Dash. And you can get it in different colors. I think it's about $25 or $30 on Amazon. Amazon did send me this, and I'm reviewing it for Amazon. Not really, I wish I was. I'm not getting paid anything. I just think it's super damn cool. So get yourself one. It's super cool. The incredible edible egg. Eat some. They're very good in protein, healthy.